Performance loading. So I've got a project here that's got a little bit of stuff in it. Let me see. There's a new window when you start up. So when you start Visual Studio, you can have a start window that prompts you and looks like, prompts you up and says, hey, these are all the projects you happen to be working with. Do you want to go clone another project? It actually allows you to clone out of a source code control, open a new solution that isn't mentioned. But you'll notice if you go and open up a relatively large project like this one, do I want to save? Sure, what the heck? I don't know. As it's loading, it takes a little bit of time to do that. Actually, I think in this case, I'm unloading. And then once it starts to get the project files read in, it then starts to load all the data asynchronously and such that this is taking longer than I would like. This is my third instance of Visual Studio, which is not recommended. And I'm running on battery. And you'll notice right here, it says, hey, this project's loading in the background. Do you want to ignore this or whatever? So it actually continues to go ahead and load while you're operating. And so that load should be taken faster than it would have in the past. I'm going to switch back to my previous solution, start window, and we'll go back to. That's a good point. So the extensions that you install are also asynchronous inside Visual Studio. So you're not waiting for the extensions to all load before you can start working. And the other thing is it remembers the last place you're working in a solution, assuming you kept your user files. It remembers the last place you're working and load those files first. So you can actually actively start editing and working within those files rather than waiting for the entire project to work and then start editing. Thanks for that.